Good morning, students. This is Unit 1. Now we are going to see the topic balancing of redox reaction. It is two types. One is oxidation number method and another one is ion exchange method. The first one is oxidation number method. So we have two or more steps. The first step is write the skeletal equation first. Skeletal equation, just I am writing one equation. FeSO4 ferrous sulfate, KMnO4, potassium permanganate, H2SO4. It gives the product Fe2SO4 thrice plus MnSO4 plus K2SO4 plus H2O. This is the first step to write the skeletal equation, right? Now, second equation, second thing is, now you have to see the oxidation number. This is plus 2 oxidation number, Fe plus 2 oxidation number. In the right side, it is plus 3. The ion oxidation number is here plus 2, here plus 3. At the same time, if you are seeing in the potassium permanganate is a plus 7 oxidation number, and the right side if you are seeing it oxidation number is plus 2. Right? Now we are going to see FeSO4 plus KMnO4 plus H2SO4 and Fe2 thrice plus MnSO4 plus K2SO4 plus H2O. So see here plus 2, here plus 3. What happened here? Plus 2 becomes plus 3. So increasing oxidation number. So here oxidation takes place. This is second step. Find out where oxidation takes place, where the reduction is takes place, where the oxidation number is increased, where the oxidation number is decreased. So see here plus 7 oxidation number, it becomes plus 2. So plus 7 plus 2. What happened here? Decreased up. So oxidation number decreased means here the reduction takes place. This is a second step. And what will be the third step? Now we are going to see here plus 2 oxidation number. How many variation of electrons? So third step we are going to see FeSO4 plus KMnO4 plus H2SO4 gives Fe2SO4 thrice MnSO4 plus K2SO4 plus H2O. See here plus 2, here plus 3. Is it right? So only one electron. So here plus 2 as well as plus 3. Variation how much here? Only one electron. Yes or no? And what about here? Here plus 7. At the same time plus 2 no? 5 electron difference. So we can write here. This is 5 electron difference here. 5 electron difference. Right. Now here the coefficient 1 electron as well as 5 electron. We have contained in the right side 2 moles of ion is present, So we are going to calculate by multiplied by 2 of 1 electron as well as 2 electron, because of the right side 2 moles of ion is present the left side. For balancing this, we are multiplying these 2 electrons into 2. So how much will come here? Totally 2 electrons, isn't it? And here 5 2s are 10, right? Now we are going to cross it for both. This 10 electrons should be multiplied by here and the 2 electrons should be multiplied by here. So automatically now fourth equation, how do we write here? See here, fourth equation. So 10. So FeSO4 should be multiplied by 10 electron. Now fourth step should be right. It is 10 electron. So 10 FeSO4 plus this is multiplied by 2, isn't it? So 2 KMnO4 plus H2SO4 and gives Fe2SO4 thrice plus MnSO4 plus K2SO4 plus H2O. So fourth step we are calculating this, and fifth step now we are going to multiply by everything. See here I am writing this equation once again. 10 FeSO4 plus 2 KMnO4 plus H2SO4 gives Fe2SO4 thrice plus here MnSO4 plus K2SO4 already H2O. So we are balancing here. So see here in the left side 10 Fe is present. What about here right side? Iron, how much is it? Only 2 iron. Now we can balance this. Here 10 means here only twice. Shall I write here 5? So if I writing 5, automatically we can balance. So 5 2s are 10. Iron balanced. No, here iron is balanced. Right. And what about here? Here 2K. What about here 2? So iron is also balanced. No, iron is also balanced. So here 2 Mn is present. What about here? Only Mn is present. No, want to balance it? Shall we write 2 here? 2. So Mn is also present. Now we are going to see next step. So iron is balanced, potassium is balanced, manganese is also balanced. Now we can go for next step. I am writing the same equation once again. 10 FeSO4 plus 2 KMnO4 plus H2SO4 and once again I am writing 5 here because we are balanced here. So Fe2SO4 thrice plus 2 already we balanced, no? And the same equation I am writing once again. MnSO4 plus K2SO4 plus H2O. Now we are going to see the balancing of sulfur. See here sulfur. How much sulfur present in the left side? Want to see first. See here 10 yes. So sulfur is present here 10. Left side 10 sulfur. First one 10 sulfur plus. So here only one sulfur is present. What about here? The right side. See here totally 15 sulfur is present. Right? And here 2 sulfur is present. Here 1 sulfur is present. So 1 sulfur, again 1 sulfur. So here only 11 sulfur is present and here 15, 16 as well as 17 sulfur is present. 17 sulfur. So 15 sulfur is present here as well as here also 2 sulfur. Here 1 sulfur. Totally 18 sulfur is present. But what about here? Only 11 sulfur. Which side it decrease in number of sulfur is present? Only left side. So want to balance this. So 11 sulfur, here 17 sulfur. So want to balance means how do we calculate here? So sulfur here, suppose writing 7, shall I write here 8? Suppose if I writing 8 here means, is it balanced now? So see here 10 sulfur, here 8 sulfur is present. Here 10 sulfur, here see here initially here 10 sulfur, here 1 sulfur, total 11 sulfur only present. Right side 18 sulfur is present. The left side only decreasing number of sulfur. Want to balance this? I am writing here 8. Now here 10 sulfur as well as here 8 sulfur. Now it becomes also 18 sulfur. Now sulfur is balanced, no? Here sulfur is balanced. So sulfur compound is balanced. This is another step. Next we are going to see. Next step is seventh step. Now still more want to balance hydrogen as well as oxygen. Is it right? Now hydrogen. I am writing the same equation once again. 10 FeSO4 plus 2 KMnO4 plus 8. I am writing no already balanced. Hydrogen is balanced. H2SO4 gives 5 Fe2SO4 plus 2 MnSO4 plus K2SO4 plus H2O. Now we are going to balance hydrogen. See here in the left side totally 16 hydrogen is present. Yes or no? Hydrogen want to balance. So totally 16. 8 2s are 16. So 16 hydrogen in the left side. Right side how much pa? Here only 2 hydrogen. So if you want to balance, shall I write 8 here? If I writing 8 means 8 2s are 16. Here also 18 hydrogen. So now the hydrogen is also balanced. Last one want to see. Only one thing is oxygen. So here oxygen. How much oxygen in the left side pa? 10 4s are 40 plus 40 oxygen plus here 2 4s are 8 oxygen plus here automatically 24. So 24 8 4s are so 32 present here. So right side see here 4 3s are 12 60. So totally here 60 oxygen. So here 2 4s are 8 and plus here 4 plus here 8 oxygen. So automatically the oxygen will be also balanced. So likewise we are going to calculate this. Suppose if you balance this hydrogen, automatically the oxygen will be also balanced. This is the balancing equation. The first step you are going to foresee skeletal equation, and next one you are going to see which is reduction as the oxidation number takes place, and next one you are going to see the electron exchanges here +2 +3. So if you are doing cross multiplication, then you can step by step you can balance this equation. Thank you students, we will see you next class.